to the left. Okay, easy now, bring it down.
Calibration on spindle 4 looks slightly off. It's within tolerance, but let's keep an eye on the blade pressure.
The texture looks perfect, glistening just right.
Confirmed. Temperature alignment is spot on. Check the viscosity on VAT 3.
Looks good. Bricks level is holding steady at 45.
We are maintaining the target temperature perfectly.
Yes, the viscosity looks good too.
Here at the filling station, these nozzles dispense the warm apple filling with rhythmic precision, ensuring consistency in every pie.
The alignment on the third arm is slightly off.
Adjusting the Z-axis now.
Looks good, millimeter perfect.
The sensor calibration looks good. So, yeah, the coverage is perfectly even.
The airflow settings need a slight adjustment here.
Confirmed. We are maintaining the target temperature for the caramelization.
Color uniformity is off on this one. Acknowledged. Rework it.
Pressure's holding steady at 500.
Flow rate looks good. We're on schedule.
The steam tunnel ensures sterility before the mechanical press seals each jar, a critical step monitored closely by the quality control team.
Count confirmed on screen 3. All units checked out.